Looking for a vehicle you can trust? Welcome to AutoPark Brampton, your premier used car dealership in Brampton, Ontario. Here, confidence comes standard. Every vehicle undergoes a full safety inspection and includes a detailed 112-point report so that you're confident you are getting a quality car. Also included is a complimentary 90-day or 5,000-kilometer powertrain warranty for added peace of mind. Our transparent, no-haggle pricing means you'll always know exactly where you stand, with a straightforward buying experience from start to finish. Our commitment to reliability and honesty is reflected in more than 1,000 five-star Google reviews, and in how we serve every customer who walks through our doors. We've got a diverse team ready to assist you in multiple languages, and to ensure your experience is simple, comfortable, and clear. We are a proud member of the Humberview Group, with 20 stores across the province, and with one simple promise, serving you better, each and every